still in Oti region and northern region. This is the current state of the road from Nkwanta to Baza in Oti region. Ahead of us, we have a road that is the daytime. That one is from Baza to Damako. Just look at how the road is. That car in front of us has, collapsed. Let me put it that way for betterment, understanding, or for you to understand it well. Out of form. Car out of form. The road itself is not in good nature. Yeah, the road is not good at all from Nkwanta to Baza. I am not from this region. No. I'm not doing politics. No. I am speaking or talking as a Ghanaian. Yes. And I love Ghana so much. I love Ghana so much. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo said this year is road year or year of roads. Please, I'm begging you. Omodia Kecho Road Minister, any ministry, and so Omomodia no Muncho money, and Concoshesa and Crofui. If you say a quano and your cry, and everybody will bear a witness. So, one for when you hear Grumpo Crana, what to do was some say, I'm Roberts, a hat a control pa. Into no, Camestre, baby, a year highway, say no. Baby a highway say no nanka mobo dia nanka all the time no omu road no ayoke, because if the road is okay many times no I'm Roberts hun someone no isusu kakra. This is from Nkwanta to Baza. From Nkwanta to Baza. At night the road is not good at all. We na me wo bus no mu na na me twa into no on hye dem huni so wugina form na se wu twa enanka ibehu ni ye chese dru baabi na baas no ase no atenase agye se obesi no motutu ase ansana omotumi akọ enye se load mu ekwan no se ne ekwan na aye no won se baas no so ya na baas no wa nti ne dru baabi na chese entumi nkokra. And this is a highway we're talking about. So please, if anyone can push this video to the authorities, that one will be better. See how the road has become very bad. When it rains, we are in harmattan season, we are in dry season. So just imagine when it rains, people living around this area, I don't know how they can manage to go to that side. And we have MCs, we have MDCs, and we have MCCCs, and we have all the MPs, and we have the assemblymen. I don't know sometimes what these people do for the community. I don't know what sometimes these people do for their own people, because I know, say, if the person is MP, the person will be among them or from their own people. Yen to me Nkonkofa will be fufro emma so member of parliament emfama Nkrofo Mosa area way. MC appointee government to me Nkonkofa will be fufro mfiri baby emma say omrame hede and as omrame hwe there be. It may come from the same people. If it come from the same people, now some mobile betina. So what are some of the things, the beneficial things that you do for your people? I had a chance to tour this area. You understand? I have the chance to tour this area from Baza, Bonache, Sibi, then Damako, up to Bimbila. In this video, I'm uploading it sequentially, and the most one will be on YouTube. The most one will be on YouTube. There are certain things when you see here, you will say, are these people part of Ghana at all? I had a chance to travel to Eastern region. We will talk about this one. We will talk about that one. So the representatives in this area, please. I'm talking about the Pazas, the northern side, the Oti regions and the staff. People over there, please push this video to the authorities because this road is not good at all. See, we have maize from this side, millet from this side, sugarcane from this side, cassava dough from this side, yam from this side. And if you look at how the drivers suffer before bringing all these foodstuffs to Accra, for us to sit in Accra and go to the market, this yam is the cost is too high, the maize is too high, and we'll be sitting in Accra speaking big English and big grammar, but do not know how all this food or the things that we eat gets to that market we're talking about. This side is from Pasa to Damako. I was using motorbike from Pasa to Damako. You see? So from Nkwanta to Bonache, from Bonache to from Nkwanta to Bonache to Pasa to Damako. The road is not good at all. The road is not good. We have a place, some point, the road is like, glass, smooth and nice, and that is okay for the traveling, because in these areas is where we used to get our food. You see, in these areas is where we used to get our food. Someone may go to the market and for now yam has come. How did the yam get to the market? I had the chance to talk to some of the people at the yam market, and they told us that the place where they will go and bring the yam from the farm is not good at all. So sometimes they will go and load the yam, and the yam, the aboboya, the motorcane will, somersault, even a motorcane somersault. How much? How can a car go where a motorcane cannot go? You see, how can a car go to a place where a motorcane tricycle that has 3 tires cannot go? How can 4 tires go? You see, and they share their stories, and it pains. You understand? As I said, I'm not doing politics, but all that I'm trying to say is that I am a Ghanaian, and these things must be solved, because these are the areas that we used to have our food. The food that we enjoy in the cities, Accra and Kumasi. You go to Accra, you go to Kumasi, sometimes you go to the market, say, hey, eduane about 2 month food, and bairaba, and abodiaba. All that we know is that the thing is in the market and we are buying it. The thing is in the market and we are talking about it. It is too costly, and now, you see, it is no good. So if something must be done, it must be done now, because there are a lot of food, there are a lot of stuffs in the rural areas, but these are the areas that they have a deplorable state, road and stuffs. They don't have a good road, they don't have good work, they don't have anything, but they are the same people who feed the cities. This is what I'm talking about. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Here is Abizi TV. We take you to places you do not know. Where we find ourselves right now is Nkwanta, from Nkwanta to Damako. And this is the road in between that side. Thank you very much. Kindly